Elevating the teaching excellence, embodying the pillars of professionalism. First, I would like to extend my gratitude to our dear college president, Dr. Mrs. Jean Villanueva Ganera. Thank you, kayo ma'am. Actually, in the short notice, meron kami kakaratan si ma'am. Tatanay ko, naagid siya karon sa ato. Thank you, ma'am, sa walay pagkakabor. Makanya dito mo, titira si Monta Bisla is well loved by our college president. And of course, first, I would like to extend also my gratitude to our pre-service teachers. Tingnan daw mo din, pag hindi sila happy, pero pagtaong sa pin, nakaima sila karay. Then, nalipay na dayon sila. Diba? So, inana, sakit siya, pero, diba, we do have productive struggles. So, I know, nasabta ninyo, and you stand there, dili man dali, diba, dili-dali. Nakita na mo, nadungog na mo inyong mga hilak, mga bulo, but that's life. That is the type of quality education we wanted you to experience because in the real setting, mas daghag hilak, mas daghag sakit, but in the context of professionalism, kaya nato tanan. And I hope you stand there, not just for yourself, but also for those ato ang mga amiga, ato ang mga classmates, nga wala nila na bear ang challenge nga manakaron. So let's look at that na dili lang kita atang ina-represent, but also sila. And we wish also on the next timeline, sila na pod ang naadira karon. So thank you for bearing that, of course, with us. You may now take your seat. And also, I would like to extend my gratitude to the parents, of course. Yung sila ang pinaka-foundation, parents, lovers. Nasa pa ka nandira, o sa inyo mga ipagdala. Okay. Igsoon, kapamilya, kapuso, thank you so much for being the support system of these pre-service teachers. We acknowledge that wala sila diri karon kung wala inyong dako nga suporta. Salamat kung taghan mo ni. Naunta dili karon lang taman kung dili ang ilahang last semester sa ilang college life. Muna ang pinaka nanginahanglan og suporta o pagsagot sa inyong ha. Naagyan ni mga mulo sila pag-abot sa balay, di ba? Sabta lang. Sabta lang. O, bunta, sabtan po na to that these soon-to-be professionals, dili lang para sa atuwa, kundi para sa future generation na to. Might be sa inyong mga anak na sunod nila o sa ito ang mga silingan. So, together, let's collaborate in creating a world in which education really thrive. And of course, dili lang sa inyo ha, kundi sa ato ang mga faculty, staff sa Davao de Oro State College Multivista Campus. We would like also to extend your gratitude. Without your support, without your guidance, sa ato ang mga pre-service teachers, dili siya maka number 4 og lingkod karon. Dili inana nila ang smile. So thank you so much. Siguro nalipay sila no kay ay magpraktikong na yun. Wala na yun si Seri Bukas nga magsigig sunod-sunod na. Wala na yun sila Sir Arnan, sila Ma'am Risha, diba? But I will tell you that all those learnings, those practical theories and everything, now is the time na exercise na to na tanan sa ato ang field. We are proud of you. We are sending you with hope and love. So we are proud of you as you bear witness to the standard of our institution, as you bear witness to all na ginapangbuhat nato diriya for your sake and for the sake of our future generation. I guess, wala naman yung as your branch director, I am humbled. Thank you so much, everyone who made this, not just this event, but this 3.5 years of this, the journey of this pre-service teacher. At last, we can now send them with hope and love. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much to our very own branch director, Dr. Rona C. Apolinario, for that message. And of course, again, I'd like to highlight, indeed, all of you here are now sitting on that very arena ba tawag? Social, no? In this particular environment or place,